Hey guys, welcome to Nasike's kitchen. Today we are going to prepare a very nice smoothie. As you can see, there is a lot of heat or sunlight. This is the season where the sun is really scorching, and it's good, like you get something that you drink and it cools you off. So you can have this recipe and you can prepare it for yourself, for your family. It's well and good. Why do you like this smoothie?
Because it tastes yummy.
It tastes so yummy.
Yes.
To your tummy?
Yes. And it cools me down.
It cools you down. Oh wow. So guys, these are our ingredients. We have beetroot. Yeah, that's beetroot. What's this?
Carrots.
Carrots.
I love eating carrots.
Yes. And then what is this?
Banana. Banana is good for your health.
Yes, banana is good for your health. And what is this?
Ice cream.
Oh, no, 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 no. So our small chef is going to lead us. What are you going to put?
Banana, carrots, and beetroot.
So put inside the machine. You start with bananas. You've told us bananas. Yes, you put all of it. All of it.
Carrots.
Carrots.
Beetroot.
Good. So next, we are going to add some water so that it can help to blend, and also so that we can extract our juice from it. Then when it's almost ready, that's when you're going to add the ice cream. So small chef, what next? We are going to blend.
Yes. And then
so guys, it's ready. We are going to add the ice cream.
So it tastes nice.
Yes, add the ice cream. Yeah, that's our ice cream. It was melting. That's why it looks like that. We are going to blend again.
Hey people, the juice is ready. We see the way we use ice cream and
Beetroot.
and then we use carrots.
Even the bananas, we used also bananas. So I want you to taste and tell us.
Yes.
How's the juice?
Yummy to my tummy.
Wow. How did you prepare your juice or smoothie?
Used the banana, beetroot, ice cream, banana,
and carrots. Yes. And how does it taste?
Yummy.
It's so yummy.
Yes.
So what are you telling the viewers?
Subscribe to the channel, click the bell and say bye.
Bye bye.